Okay, good morning grade 5. Our lesson for this will be our video lesson for factoring and greatest common factor. Okay? So, factoring and greatest common factor. So, if you have your whiteboard with you, with your marker, give the factors of the numbers. Then arrange the factors in order from the least to greatest. Okay? Arranging the factors. So, let's have this one. Example, 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 times 12, 4 times 3, 6 times 2. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. As you noticed, they come in pair. So 1 times 12, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 4 is 12. So those are the factors of 12. They come in pair. Pag in-arrange mo sila, yung in and out, yun lang po ang magka-pair noon. Okay? Next. $36. So, what are the factors of 36? Siyempre, obviously, it would be 1 and 36. 9 and 4. 9 times 4 is 36. 2 times 18. 12 times 3. And 6 times 6. So, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. You notice 6 ay isa lang because they are the same number. So, 6 lang siya. So, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So, 36, factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Okay? Thinking of a number that could possibly give an answer to 36 without any remainder. Okay? Those are the factors. So, another example, 60. So, what are the factors of 60? 1 times 60, 3 times 20, 2 times 30, 12 times 5. Meron pa ba kayo naiisip? 6 times 10. Ano pa? Wala na. So, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 12, 20, 30, and 60 are the factors of 60. This is 60. Okay? So, next one. 100. 1 times 100, 2 times 50, 5 times 20, 4 times 25. So, this is 100. So, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, and 100. Okay? So, let's have a word problem. Example, Marjorie has 18 red pens and 12 black pen, represented by the bars below. So, this will be red pen and these are the black pen. She wants to put them equally in pen cases such that the same number of red and black pen in each group. What is the greatest possible number of pen that she can use? So, ilang pair of red and black pen ang dapat nandoon sa pencil case with the same number of red and black pen. Okay? So, let's have this one. So, how to get the factors ng number? So, multiply the number by itself until the product does not exceed the number. So, paano yon? Ito yung isang process kung paano mas madaling makuha yung factors ng number. So, 1 times 1, 2 times 2, multiplying the number by itself. 3 times 3, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 6 times 6, 7 times 7. Bakit nag-stop tayo sa 7 times 7? Because 49 exceeds 45. Lumampas na tayo sa 45. Kaya, hindi kasama yung 7 times 7. So, ang factors natin ay 1, listing the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yan lang yung numbers na yon. And then, 45 divided by 1. Anong sagot? Divide nyo yung number doon sa 45. So, that is 45 by 2. We know using the divisibility, walang factor ang 2 sa 45. So, hindi na siya kasali. Okay? Using the divisibility by 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. So, nadidivide siya sa 3. So, it is 15. Sa 4, hindi rin. Kasi last 2 digit, hindi nadidivide sa 4. 9. And sa 6 ay hindi. Kasi hindi naman siya even number. Di po ba? So, using the divisibility could help you to give the factors of the number. So, listing the factors, we have 1, 3, 5, 9, tsaka 15, and 45. So, yun po yun. So, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, and 45. So, yun po yung factors ng 45. Okay? Let's have another one. 60. So, ano yung multiply natin? 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, hanggang umabot tayo ng 8 times 8. Kasama ba ang 8 times 8? Hindi, kasi lampas na siya ng 64. Okay? Lampas na siya ng 60. Sorry. Lampas na siya ng 60, so hanggang 7 times 7 lang po tayo. Okay? So, hindi siya kasali. So, what list the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hanggang 7 lang. Kasi hanggang 7. Okay, now, divide. 60 by 1 is 60. 60 sa 2 ay 30. 60 sa 3 ay 20. 60 sa 4 ay 15. 60 divided by 5 ay 12. 60 sa 6 ay 10. Eh, 7. May factor ba ang 7 sa 60? If you skip count and multiple by 7, lalabas ba sa 60? Hindi. So, hindi nakasali. 7. So, what are the factors of 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. So, those are the factors of 60. Okay? So, saan natin gagamitin yan? So, we could get factoring by getting the GCF of the number. So, 45 and 60. So, let's see again the factors of 45. 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. Kasi we are talking about the greatest common factor. So, what are the factors of 45 that is also present in the factors of 60? So, what are those factors? We have 1, 3, 5, and 15. So, these are the common factors. These are what you call common factors. Yung parehas sa kanilang dalawa, or tatlo, or apat na number. And the greatest of the factor is 15. Obviously, 15 ang pinakamalaki. That is why it is called the greatest common factor, which is 15. Okay po? Do you understand? So, that is the purpose of factoring the numbers and getting the GCF. Okay? So, let's have a word problem. Yung kanina, let's go back. Marjorie has 18 red pen and 12 black pen. So, if we have 18 red and 12 black, so how can we, what's the greatest possible number of pen cases that she can use? So, let us separate now. So, pag 4 by 4, sobra. May sobra tayong dalawa. So, pag ginawa natin 3 by 3 and 4, 3 by 3 and 4, so, pare-parehas na ilan? 53. So, let's pair it. So, we have, hindi uubra yung kanina, yung by 3. Kasi kulang yung dalawa ng black. Okay, kulang ng tig-tatlong black. So, we should do adding 4 sa bawat isa. So, this is the greatest possible number of group. Okay? Na pare-pare sila. Pinakamalaki. Okay? So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red and 4 black. Okay? So, meron pang isa, yung dalawahan. And, having this one, the greatest number of group is 6 pencil cases will be used. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, meron tayo pare-parehas na number ng pencil, ng ball pen or ng pen. So, ang hinahanap natin is how many pencil cases o pen cases that she can use. Okay? So let's use the ladder method. So one of the greatest or easiest way to find the GCF is the ladder method or inverted division. So example, 18 red and 12 blue. So let's have the ladder method. So inverted division. So what could you use to divide 18 and 12? Is by 3. So 6 and 4. And this could still be divided, 6 and 4, since they are both even, they could still be both divided by 2. So so we are left with 3 and 2 as the quotient. So our greatest common factor is 6, meaning tiga-anim. So GCF is 6. So tig-anim. So tiga-anim na red sa 18, tiga-anim na blue. We could have 3 sets ng tig-6 at 2 sets ng tig-6 sa blue. Okay? So how many pencil cases? So greatest common factor natin ay 6. So 6 pencil cases na mayroong 3 red and 2 blue. Okay po. So 6 pen cases with 3 red and 2 blue. Yan po yung contain what is inside the pencil case. So let's have a board work or in your whiteboard. So give the GCF of the following numbers: 40 and 20, 15, 60, and 45. So gagawin natin yung listing or you could use ladder method kung ano po mas nadalian sa inyo. 18, 54, 27, 81. Then the number 1, 40 and 20. So you could pause the video and solve for the GCF. Show your solution. Okay? And in number 2, 15, 60, and 45. And in number 3 is 18, 54, 27, and 81. Okay? So, number 1, ready na? So, if not, pause the video for you to have time to answer. And if you're done, let's check. Okay? Okay, number 1, the GCF is 20. How? So 40 and 20. So let us use the ladder method. So what could you use to divide 20 and 40? Let's use 10. So this will be 4 and this will be 2. So we could still divide 2 and 4 by 2. So this is 2 and this is 1. So our GCF, since 2 and 1 has no common factor, our GCF is 10 and 2. So 10 times 2 is 20. So our GCF is 20. Okay po. Now, let's have number 2. 15, 60, and 45. So we have 15, 60, and 45. So what do you think is the number that we could use here? If napansin nyo, 505. So we could use 5. Okay? If you cannot think of the greatest number possible, use the smaller number, 5. So 5 and 15. So how many 5 goes into 15? It is 3. How many 5 are in 60? 60 divided by 5 is what? Is 12. Okay? 5 times 2 is 10. Carry 1. 5 times 1 plus 1 is 6. So 60. How many 5 is in 45? Is 9. Okay? Now, what do you notice? 3, 12, 9. These numbers are multiple of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. So you could use 3 as your divisor. O pan-divide mo. So this is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 1 sa 4, wala. 4 sa 3, wala. So the GCF is 5 times 3. Which is 5 times 3 is 15. Okay? So let us see. So the GCF is 15. Okay. How about a 4-digit number? How about the 4 numbers? So we have 18, 54, 27, and 81. Okay. So, kahit gano'ng karaming number yan, kayang-kaya natin yan. So, let's see. 8 plus 1. So, hindi lahat sila even, ano? So, 8, 4, 7, 2. 8, 4, 7, 1. So, try natin yung divisibility by 3. 8 plus 1, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. 8 plus 1, 9. So, you could use 9. Do you still remember divisibility by 9? So, how many 9 goes into 18? 2. What is the factor of 9 that produces 54? 6 times 9 is 54. How about 27? 9, 18, 27. How many? 3. And 81 by 9 is 9 times 9 is 81. So you need 9. Now, 2, 6, 3, 9. Is there any number common between 2 and 6? Yes. How about 2 and 3? Is there a common factor? Wala na po. So kapag merong hindi applicable sa lahat, therefore, there is no more common factor among the following numbers. So, the GCF is 9. Stop na kayo doon. The GCF is 9. Okay? So, that is the GCF. Kasi, factor ng 2 sa 6 meron. 2 sa 3, wala. Di po ba? So, stop na kayo. So, hindi na siya common. Walang common sa kanilang apat. Okay? So, the GCF is 9. Okay? So, the GCF is 9. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you and God bless.